Hi guys, I am Shreya and in today's video I will be doing 100 rupees makeup challenge. So without further ado, let's get started. So for primer I will be using Patanjali's aloe vera gel, which is for rupees 40. I am using Elle lipstick in the shade Red Passion to cover all my uneven skin tone. This lipstick was for rupees 90. Using my PAC mini beauty blender, I am blending the lipstick into my skin, and this is for rupees 100. I have mixed a little bit of Lakme's 100 rupees foundation with my Johnson's baby cream, which was under rupees 60, and to tone it down a little I have also added in brown eyeshadow. I am using tapping motions to apply it. Then using my damn beauty blender, I am making sure that I don't move the foundation. Then using a foundation brush, I will stipple the foundation into my skin. For baking, I will be using Lakme's rose powder. This costed around rupees 100. I use Lakme rose powder every day for baking or setting everything. Then using my foundation brush, I will brush off the excess powder. I will be contouring my face using Miss Claire brown eyeshadow, which was rupees 90. I prefer eyeshadows as my contour because these are amazing. The brush I'm using is from Vega, which was for rupees 70. For highlighter, I'm using my Essence eyeshadow in the shade Dance All Night. I am using the same brown eyeshadow for my eye. I am using Lakme Iconic, but you can use any other Lakme kajal. And then I am smudging all the kajal using the same eyeshadow brush. I am applying blue eyeliner from Gala, which was for rupees 70. To line my lips, I am using my lip liner from Essence, which costed me rupees 100. If you guys have seen my older videos, then you might be knowing that I'm in love with ombre lips, and to create that I am using my tester lipsticks from Urban Color, which costed me 40 rupees each, and trust me, these lipsticks are amazing. And to blend everything out, I'm using my lip liner brush from Vega, which was for rupees 60. For blush, I am using my lipstick from Elle in the shade Pink Curve. I couldn't find any good quality blush under 100 rupees, so I substituted it with my lipstick. I mostly prefer lipsticks as blush. Last but not the least, I am using Dabur gulari to set all my makeup in place. I hope you guys would have enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.